welcome to Assembly Audible. I'm your host, multimedia editor Jennifer Pierce. Today we're broadcasting from the Music City Center in Nashville, Tennessee, and I am joined by Griffin Gillespie, account executive with Inbolt. Griffin, welcome to the podcast, and thank you for making time for the conversation.
Thanks for having me, Jennifer. I'm really excited to be here.
Absolutely. So tell me a little bit about what you do as account executive, and then also about Inbolt just generally.
Yeah, so I can start with Inbolt as a whole. We are a 3D vision for robot guidance company.
Okay.
And what I do as an account executive is I support our customers in North America, help them automate their different processes with robotics, and ultimately just make their factories more efficient and better overall.
Okay, great. So as account executive, you work with customers to find solutions and present your products, I'm assuming,
Yep.
as a solution to a problem they may be having.
Exactly. So I can kind of outline a typical problem for you, if that works. So in automotive space, for example, they use a lot of robots. But robots, for the last 50 years, they're very blind, inflexible machines. So when you put a robot in, you also have to constrain your environment, putting in jigs, fixtures, tooling. That shopping list gets quite expensive after a while. So what we're doing at Inbolt instead is we think that we've created a vision technology that's efficient enough, fast enough to set up, and robust enough that instead of having to constrain your environment for the robot, you instead make your robot smarter by putting a vision system on it, and then you get rid of the need for all that different tooling. So your shopping list just went down a lot.
Right, okay. So there was one, is it a guidance system or, I don't know, a piece of technology that caught our chief editor's eye today. And so I'd like for you to talk a little bit about that. It's something you're highlighting at the show.
Yep.
Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yes.
There's a lot of different things going on, or
Yeah.
components to the system, so.
Exactly. I
Yeah.
can break it down for you a little bit.
Yes, please.
Yep. So I'm joined here, actually, Estic Tooling, they invited Inbolt to come along to showcase how we can automate moving assembly lines. So you have, with the setup that we're showing here, you have a robot, you have a tightening tool, so S6 tool in this case, and then you have the Inbolt vision system. What we're allowing to do is, you'll see the line is going to be moving the entire time, and we're actually following the part as it moves and doing the tightening operations. This is really, really difficult to do traditionally, but with our vision system, we get it done in 10 minutes or less.
Okay. So where would you find something like this, or what industry is this perfect for?
Yeah, so any industry that uses robots to automate their plant lines, really, we've had a lot of success in the automotive space, specifically though, because all of their assembly lines are moving and they're always looking to cut down on their cycle time. So
Yeah.
for them, it's the more cars they can output, the better.
Right, of
Yep.
course. So what's on the horizon for Inbolt?
So much, hard to say. For us, really what we want to do is just better enable any plant that uses robots. As I'm sure you know, it's hard to find people sometimes to work, and robots are getting more expansive and more complicated. We want to simplify things for the end user and just make a solution that is so easy to deploy and really in every factory.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, Griffin, thank you for sharing more about Inbolt on the podcast today.
Thank you so much, Jennifer.
Until next time, I'm signing off for today. Thanks for listening.